Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is again in the continuation of my previous videos, into which I have been sharing a very beautiful, very stylish and a designer style pretty ideas of hand embroidery. All of these designs are hand embroidered necklines. You can design all of these hand embroidered necklines for designing your necklines of shirts, sweaters, and very beautiful dresses. These are very delicate, decent, and elegant dresses of shirts, kurtis, sweaters, sweatshirts, and your everyday dresses, your festival dresses, like absolute favorite dresses for your Eid outfits. Design these hand embroidered necklines, angrakha style side necklines with a various very beautiful beautiful patterns of hand embroidery ideas like Brazilian embroidery, Mexican embroidery, a very beautiful touch of Punjabi suits as well. So stay tuned, stay connected, and kindly watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing and trendy ideas. Up till then, take care of yourselves, stay blessed. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. So don't forget to like my video. If you are new to my channel, then just subscribe my channel, and while subscribing, press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel.